Welcome to our channel where we make selling online simple and effective. Let's dive into how you can easily log into your Newegg seller account right now. Welcome to our channel where we make selling online simple and effective. To start managing your Newegg seller account, the first step is logging in securely. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Newegg seller portal by typing seller.newegg.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the login fields for your email or username and your password. Carefully enter the email address or username associated with your seller account to ensure you access the correct profile. Next, type your password in the designated field, making sure it matches your credentials exactly, paying attention to capitalization and special characters. If you want to stay logged in on your device for convenience, check the Remember Me option, but only on personal devices to protect your account. In case you can't recall your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login form. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset link via email, then create a new secure password to regain access. After filling in your credentials, hit the Sign In button to proceed. If your details are correct, you'll be directed to your Newegg seller dashboard where you can manage your listings, orders, and account settings. For added security, if two-factor authentication is set up on your account, enter the verification code sent to your chosen device or app to complete the login process. Remember, always ensure you are on the official Newegg site to prevent phishing attempts and safeguard your personal information. Logging in regularly helps you stay updated with your store's performance and customer interactions. Using strong, unique passwords and updating them periodically enhances security. That's it. You're now ready to manage your Newegg seller account efficiently. Don't forget, smooth access is the key to effective selling and growing your business seamlessly.